The Turkish defense industry is currently passing through a pivotal stage, marked most clearly by the development and operational use of the T129 ATAK helicopter. This platform has come to represent Turkey's ambition to achieve technological autonomy and strategic independence in military aviation. While the T129 is frequently showcased as a success of indigenous defense manufacturing, its story is far more complex. Beneath the surface, the program reveals a mix of engineering achievements, geopolitical constraints, and long-term strategic questions that deserve closer scrutiny. The T129 was developed by Turkish aerospace industries in cooperation with international partners, drawing its structural roots from the Italian A129 Mangusta airframe. However, the helicopter underwent extensive modernization, incorporating Turkish-developed avionics, weapon systems, and mission software. Its emergence reflects Ankara's long-standing objective of reducing reliance on foreign defense suppliers and building a self-sustaining military-industrial base. Within this context, the T129 stands as one of the most sophisticated combat helicopters ever produced by Turkey. Designed to conduct attack, escort, and close air support missions, the T129 is optimized for operation across diverse and demanding environments, including mountainous terrain and high-threat zones. Its aerodynamic profile emphasizes agility, allowing it to perform sharp maneuvers while maintaining stability at low altitudes and during high-speed flight. This design advantage enables effective performance in challenging landscapes, such as dense forests and rugged mountain regions, where conventional platforms often struggle. One of the helicopter's most defining strengths lies in its avionics architecture. The T129 features a fully digital glass cockpit that provides pilots with real-time flight and mission data. This advanced interface significantly enhances situational awareness, enabling faster decision-making and accurate engagement during both daytime and nighttime operations. Complementing this is an advanced sensor suite capable of detecting, tracking, and identifying targets at extended ranges, even under adverse weather conditions. These capabilities make the helicopter highly effective in reconnaissance roles and in providing protective overwatch for ground forces, directly contributing to crew survivability. Survivability is further reinforced by the T129's integrated protection systems. Its reinforced fuselage improves durability against battlefield threats, while electronic countermeasure systems reduce vulnerability to enemy detection and engagement. Together, these features allow the helicopter to continue operating in hostile environments where exposure to air defense systems is a constant risk. Beyond its primary attack role, the T129 also serves as an escort and support platform, offering operational flexibility that is increasingly essential in modern warfare. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset in missions that demand speed, precision, and tight coordination between air and ground units. With its modern design, advanced avionics, and multi-role functionality, the T129 demonstrates how contemporary technological concepts can be applied to rotary wing combat aviation. Internationally, the T129 has drawn attention as a capable light attack helicopter, reflecting the rapid advancement of Turkey's aerospace sector and the growing importance of innovation within the global defense industry. Yet, despite these accomplishments, a critical question remains unanswered. Is the T129 a transitional solution, or can it serve as a sustainable long-term combat platform? The helicopter integrates a sophisticated mission computer, electro-optical targeting systems, helmet-mounted displays, and precision-guided weapons, including anti-tank missiles and laser-guided rockets. These features position it competitively within its class. However, one of the most debated weaknesses of the program lies in its propulsion system. Early versions relied on foreign-produced engines, exposing the platform to export controls and political leverage. This dependency has affected not only fleet expansion within Turkey, but also potential export opportunities to partner nations. Without full control over the engine technology, genuine defense self-sufficiency remains incomplete. Efforts to replace foreign engines with domestically developed alternatives signal progress, yet they also introduce challenges related to testing, certification, and long-term reliability. Engine development is among the most complex aspects of aerospace engineering, and success is neither quick nor guaranteed. Perhaps the most serious challenge facing the T129 program is its vulnerability to international political dynamics. Several proposed export deals have been delayed or blocked due to third-party approval requirements tied to foreign components. This situation exposes structural limitations in Turkey's defense export model and highlights the strategic importance of full localization from the ground up. At the same time, these setbacks have pushed Turkey to accelerate indigenous development, turning political pressure into a driver of innovation. Still, it remains uncertain whether future variants will be able to fully escape similar constraints in an increasingly fragmented global defense environment.
Operationally, the T129 has proven effective in asymmetric warfare scenarios. Its maneuverability, firepower, and sensor capabilities make it well suited for counterinsurgency and low-intensity conflict missions. However, the nature of warfare is evolving rapidly. The growing prevalence of drones, electronic warfare, and layered air defense systems raises difficult questions about the future relevance of attack helicopters. Can platforms like the T129 survive in high-intensity conflicts, or will they be confined to low and medium-threat environments? As militaries invest heavily in unmanned systems and next-generation combat platforms, traditional attack helicopters face increasing scrutiny over survivability and cost-effectiveness. These concerns extend beyond battlefield performance. The T129 has played a significant role in strengthening Turkey's defense ecosystem by supporting local suppliers, software firms, and aerospace engineers. It has contributed to workforce development and facilitated the transfer of advanced technologies into civilian sectors. The key challenge now is sustainability. Defense programs require continuous upgrades, successful exports, and follow-on projects to maintain industrial momentum. Without a clear roadmap beyond the T129, such as deeper integration with unmanned systems or the development of next-generation rotary wing platforms, there is a risk that these industrial gains could stagnate. In the end, the T129 attack helicopter should not be viewed as a final destination, but as an important stepping stone in Turkey's broader defense strategy. It illustrates what can be achieved through targeted investment, international cooperation, and political determination. At the same time, it exposes the structural vulnerabilities created by partial dependency, shifting doctrines of warfare, and geopolitical uncertainty. The real question for Turkey is not whether it can build an attack helicopter, but whether it can move beyond it. The success of future platforms will depend on the lessons learned from the T129 program, particularly the necessity of full technological sovereignty, adaptability to emerging threats, and competitiveness in a defense market shaped as much by politics as by performance. In this sense, the T129 stands as both a milestone and a test, one that will influence the trajectory of the Turkish defense industry for decades to come.